In this tried exercise, we're asked to find the inverse of the function f of x equals the fifth root of 3x minus 2. The process is essentially the same as what we've looked at up to this point. The difference is it's a little bit more complicated of a function in order to solve and then also in order to check. So that said, we'll start with the same process that we do when we're finding the inverse. Every time we'll replace f of x with y. So y equals the fifth root of 3x minus 2. We'll switch the x and y, so x equals the fifth root of 3y minus 2. And now we need to solve for y. So to get rid of the fifth root, we'll take both sides to the fifth power. That gives us x to the fifth equals 3y minus 2. Let's go ahead and switch sides. We're adding 2 to both sides, so that leaves 3y on one side and x to the fifth plus 2 on the other side. And then last but not least, we divide both sides by 3 to give us y equals x to the fifth plus 2, all divided by 3. And then we'll go ahead and switch the y, in this case, to the inverse of f of x. So f inverse of x equals x to the fifth plus 2 divided by 3. Now, how do we check? Same as before. F composed of f inverse of x should be x, and f inverse composed of f of x should be x. So let's start with f. This is our check. F inverse of f of x. So we substitute f of x for x in f inverse of x. So this equals x to the fifth. So instead we're going to have 3x minus 2, the fifth root of 3x minus 2 to the fifth power plus 2 over 3. That equals the fifth root to the fifth power. That's going to be 3x minus 2 plus 2 over 3. The 2's cancel. We're left with 3x over 3. The 3's cancel, and we are left with x. So it checks in that direction. Now, what about f of the inverse of f of x? Well, that equals the fifth root of 3 times x to the fifth plus 2 divided by 3 minus 2, which equals the fifth root of the 3's cancel here, which leaves us with x to the fifth plus 2 minus 2. So the 2's cancel as well. We're left with the fifth root of x to the fifth, which does indeed equal x. So this tells us that when f of x equals the fifth root of 3x minus 2, its inverse is x to the fifth plus 2 divided by 3.